아파트 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 kissy face sent to your phone but I'm trying to kiss your lips for real red hearts that's what I'm on yeah come give me something I can feel don't you want me like I want you baby don't you need me like I need you now see tomorrow but tonight go crazy all you gotta do is just meet me at the 아파트 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 아파트
It's whatever, it's whatever you like. Turn this opposite into a club. I'm talking drink, dance, smoke, freak, party all night. Gumbe, go, what's up?
To my dearest husband, my best friend, and my love, Stephen Noel Tan Ballesta, my neighbor, Mary! Bakit? Laos na kalintang
Storms will come. We just gotta learn to dance in the rain. Then you said, don't worry, 'cause babe, you got me and I'm staying right here. And though the seasons change, my love will stay the same for you. Yes, it's true. You're the only constant thing in my world. When there's no one left around, it's just me and my girl. I know that change is just a part of this life, but our love will stand the test of time. 'Cause baby, you're my constant. Darling, you're my constant. It's an unpredictable life on my own, yeah. I can be surrounded by many, but still feel alone. That's when you told me that you'd always be there for me, and I'm always coming back to the one I call home. Yeah, you're the only constant thing in my world. When there's no one left around, it's just me.
Nagpapasalamat ako naman sa Ginoo na ihatag kaniya sa akin. Despite sa atong differences, nagpapasalamat ka kay inuban mo ang tanan na utang para makita ang galing. Thank you for honoring Wala. So, mauna ito, ihigugmata ka, forever and ever, adiyak sa iyo. Pasuporta, nga nasa sa pagtanda natin, kita nagyan pa ako. I love you!
For almost 7 years na pagparaupod nga, pagparauli-uli, pagparadulong sa inyo. Una, I love you. Para mo man ito, siyempre kay mahusay. Talino. Na may strong personality. Pinaka-maupay sa akin, pero i-disregard nito. Overall, perfect na sila. Okay, di ba? Sa iyo ko yung set na, I know, dire naman aram kung saan maabot ng challenges sa akin. Pero, in the future, aram ko kaya na. Siguro, kaya na nailistan na lugar yun sa mga medyo alangan ng desisyon. Siguro, matured na enough para mag-desisyon sa mga direct sigurado na kung dahil may mga misunderstanding and miscommunication din, I promise na I will love you still. Maski good or bad mood ka, ikaw pa rin anak ko, love me. I promise, i-provide ko ang necessary ko, emotional or physical siya. Hindi rin ang nag-is, online yan, time na. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko i-express sa iyo, pero grabe ang litay ko na animated na time na ako yung parahulat na hindi ko alam kaya ba nakikita. Kaya, since 4th year high school talaga, ako na-speak kami. Dahil, basta ulit na since 4th year. Tapos, pag-out ng 4th college, ikaw sa buyak sa 4th year high school, sige pa di pa uli sa ako. Kaya sa department ng kami, legal, sige pa di pa uli na. Eh, siya ba? Okay yan, okay.
Sa huli, palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo.
Mahal sa huli, palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo. Ulit-ulitin man, nais kong malaman